What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and thank you for tuning into my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do this cute, curly, messy bun. It's really simple, really easy, good for any last minute styles, and it's so simple, y'all, that I don't even want to spend time trying to finesse this conversation. The ponytail that I am using is by Free Tress, and it says equal drawstring ponytail, and the style that I have in this ponytail is Lagoon Girl. So a lot of you guys have commented on some of my videos that I've done wig installations and things like that, like synthetic wigs, and you've been asking me to show you the link to the wigs and asking me to tell you the exact name of the wigs. If I don't give that information, it's not because I'm leaving it out, it's because I don't know. So when I buy my synthetic wigs or even ponytails, I'm buying them from my local beauty supply store. So I don't know where to find it online, if it can be found online. I've even tried searching exactly what I have online with the different wigs that I have, and I haven't been able to find them online at all. But if you guys happen to ever find the wigs that I do videos on, feel free to share those in the comments. I'm so sorry that I don't have the information, but just know that I have been looking when I buy the hair, it's just that I don't find the link. Other thing is, I have to do a better job at keeping these until I'm done making my video, because if I left out the name of the hair, that's probably why, because I threw out the packaging. So like I said, that is the style of this ponytail. I'm giving you a good look at this whole packaging so that you can find it at any local beauty supply store, or you can happen to find it on maybe Free Tress's website. I'm gonna look for this too, so if I do find this ponytail, I will put it in the description box as a link. If you do not see a link, that means that I did not find it. It's not that I forgot or anything like that, trust me. The color that I got says OP430, and lastly, of course, this wig is, I keep saying wig, I'm so used to wearing wigs, Lord have mercy. It's synthetic hair, of course, you know that is my go-to. And yeah, stay tuned, enjoy the tunes, and let's get started, okay? guys so much for tuning into my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that you enjoyed this hairstyle. Follow me on all social medias. It's in the description below. I do follow back. I do comment back. I do interact. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, what you waiting for? What are you waiting for, girl? Hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love. Show me some support. And I'll be back next week with another video. Bye, guys.